Bharat, over to you. With a large and growing base of households that will have a device which can be classified as connected TV, what are the challenges and what are the opportunities that you are seeing as a data-driven programmatic advertising company? What is Group M Zaxis planning to do? How will it impact the industry? Please share any estimates on the size of opportunity in revenue terms. And last but not the least, how do you think pricing will be driven? Will there be bidding auction? Will it be market demand driven? Or will it be for a while driven as a premium upmarket inventory? How will it shape up? Over to you, Bharat.
I think overall what we are seeing in India as a market, definitely the numbers spiked over the last 6 months in the pandemic, not just because of the content getting shifted from linear TV towards the OTT marketplace, but as a consumer also, I think all your big billion sales in India, which happens, I think they were also front runner in boosting the new sales on the connected TV. And on the other side, I think the data connection continues to be more stronger with fiber almost touching some of the metro cities in terms of driving the penetration. So I think there are a few more proxies which is actually driving the growth, what we're seeing in connected TV. When it comes to the media planning, I think one of the challenges what we face is that the connected TV ecosystem is not simple like your mobile system or the desktop where we were still heavily dependent on ad IDs and the cookies to plan. Most of the connected TV devices, people are still trying to demystify what can be the unique identifier, whether it's the hardware, whether it's the OTT guy trying to map the consumer behavior at a mobile number. So what is that single connector on which we can plan it? But somewhere down the line, I think the learnings what we got from our other advanced markets of Group M, it's better to plan at a household level. So we are definitely progressing towards what we call as household level targeting and trying to understand that what type of behaviors people are depicting at a certain lat long or a pin code, to be very honest, from a market like India. And the next piece that we're trying to understand is if we can find relevant data partners who can help us create a 360 profile for this lat long or pin code. On pricing, I think it's too early because I think the initial comparisons are definitely with the linear TV. But quite honest, the linear TV reach can't be meet in the current ecosystem of connected TV. It's still very early if we try to create single currency between linear TV and connected TV. So it's better we treat connected TV as another digital medium and definitely should drive a pricing premium since the viewership is coming from premium pockets. People are using connected TV, they are paying for the broadband. So some of these proxies are being used to define the pricing, but we still have a long way to go in terms of identifying how can connected TV pricing sit along with a linear TV pricing, both in terms of the RNF curve, what the linear TVs are giving.